Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve couldn't find your Google account on login error in Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix couldn't find your Google account on login error with 4 fixes. Method 1, check the email. First of all, you should check the email you provided, because an incorrect email is the root cause of this error. To fix this, you have to check. There are no extra spaces. There are no wrong characters. The domain is correct, like at gmail.com. Method 2, try to log in through different device. You can try logging through different device. If you are using Android phone, try using PC or tablet. Then, provide the correct email address or mobile number whatever you put there at the time of account creation. Method 3, check if the Google account is disabled. The next method to dismiss couldn't find your Google account on Android error is to check for the disabled Google account and try recovering it. To do this, you have to sign into your Google account on a browser, like Chrome. Select Start Appeal. Follow the instructions. The decision from your appeal is final. Method 4, contact support. Contacting the support team is another working method. Google provides no direct live support for individual account existence questions. For workspace accounts, contact your domain administrator. For consumer accounts, use the account recovery tool in the Help Center by visiting https://support.google.com/accounts. Advanced solution use Android repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve app keeps crashing or not working problem on Android, then there is no better option than using the Android repair tool. Besides, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving couldn't find your Google account on Android phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.